Peru's 420,000-ton giant squid fishing quota emphasizes the country's important position in world seafood consumption. While giant squids are not commonly used for culinary purposes, they are considered a delicacy in some countries and are consumed in small quantities. Known as jumbo flying squids or po in Peru, they are highly valued among Peruvians for consumption. Despite not being processed as commonly as smaller seafood species like shrimp or fish in large factories, some facilities handle giant squids to meet commercial market demands. In the cleaning process, the head, internal organs, and ink sac are removed from the squid's body to prevent contamination of the edible portions. Care is taken to extract these parts intact, particularly the ink sac, to avoid staining the flesh. After removing the internal organs, the squid undergoes meticulous washing to remove residual debris. Skilled workers then delicately peel away the tough skin to preserve the white flesh, using sharp knives and specialized tools. To aid skin removal, the squid may undergo brief blanching or gentle mechanical agitation. This loosens the skin while minimizing damage to the flesh. Workers ensure the skin is peeled away smoothly, leaving pristine white flesh. Any unsuitable parts may be disposed of or repurposed, with some facilities processing them into industrial products. Proper disposal methods are employed to manage organic waste and ensure environmental sustainability. Inspecting the exposed flesh, workers remove any remaining skin or impurities, leaving a clean surface. To maintain freshness, the flesh is chilled or placed in cold water. Skilled workers manually divide the flesh into pieces or sections, or automated equipment may be used for consistency. To preserve color and flavor, the flesh may be treated with mild acid or antioxidant solutions. Throughout the process, workers monitor for signs of deterioration and take prompt action. Circular bladed cutters create uniform rings, which undergo further rinsing to ensure they are free from contaminants. Tenderization of squid rings may occur based on desired texture and tenderness. This can involve either mechanical tenderizers or enzymatic treatments, which break down tough muscle fibers, resulting in a more succulent and palatable product. enhancing the overall dining experience. Tenderization makes the squid rings easier to chew. After undergoing necessary processing steps, raw squid rings are prepared for preservation by packaging and freezing. Carefully portioned, they are placed into packaging suitable for freezing, which may vary depending on manufacturer preferences and intended market, including vacuum-sealed bags, plastic containers, or trays with a protective film. Packaging materials are carefully chosen to maintain the ring's integrity and prevent freezer burn during storage. When processing giant squids for squid rings, portions of the white raw meat, often considered waste, can be repurposed to create raw squid popcorn. First, the trimmings are ground or finely chopped to achieve a uniform texture. They are then combined with binding agents and seasonings to enhance flavor and cohesion. Shaping into small bite-sized pieces reminiscent of popcorn kernels is facilitated by specialized equipment like extruders or molding machines. Alternatively, hand forming into small balls or nuggets is also an option. Squid wings, also called fins or flaps, provide a distinctive texture and flavor compared to rings and are commonly boiled for preparation. Cleaned and prepared, wings are submerged in large stainless steel boiling tanks to tenderize the meat while retaining its natural taste and texture. After boiling to perfection, wings are promptly cooled and frozen to preserve freshness and quality, extending shelf life for distribution to consumers and food service establishments. Deriving from the production of squid rings, squid tentacles represent another valuable product. Separated from the body, they enter a separate processing line within the facility. Tentacles may undergo trimming to remove excess parts or uneven edges, ensuring uniform size and appearance, thus enhancing marketability and consumer appeal. Sorting by size or weight may also occur to meet customer specifications. The production of giant squids offers insight into the intricate processes of seafood processing, from harvest to packaging. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or simply intrigued by the intricacies of food processing, remember, the next time you savor a seafood dish, you're not just enjoying a meal. You're experiencing the culmination of dedication, expertise, and innovation that goes into bringing the ocean's bounty to your plate. For large-scale pizza production, the process begins with automatic mixer machines combining flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients in precise amounts. This mixture is blended until it forms a smooth dough, then moved along conveyor belts within the factory. The belts transport the dough to different areas where automated systems shape it into uniform balls for the next stage. After preparation, the dough balls are handled in large quantities within the factory, accumulating in large numbers. Automatic machines transport these dough balls to various parts of the factory using a complex network of conveyor systems and lifts. Some belts may carry them to resting areas for brief fermentation, while others transport them directly to pressing stations. In one method, precision pressing mechanisms shape the dough balls into round pizza bases. Uniform dough balls are carefully transferred to the pressing station, where specialized machines gently press them into bases of consistent thickness, ensuring uniformity crucial for quality. Alternatively, the dough can be shaped into elongated sheets. Fed through rolling and cutting machines, the dough sheets undergo precise cutting into desired pizza base shapes. This method offers an efficient alternative to shaping individual dough balls, ensuring consistency across batches without compromising quality. Automated factories achieve optimal efficiency without compromising on product integrity, ensuring perfect bases for toppings and subsequent production stages. Once the dough is prepared and rounded, the automated process shifts to the pizza topping phase. Advanced technology dispenses precise amounts of tomato sauce onto each dough round, ensuring even coating. Specialized rolling machines carefully spread and distribute the sauce for thorough coverage and uniformity. Following the sauce, mixed toppings are added, from savory meats to fresh vegetables. Machines with rotating arms delicately dispense these toppings onto the sauced bases, measuring and distributing each ingredient with precision to maintain consistency across the line. Lastly, shredded cheese is applied, a hallmark of traditional pizza. Specially designed machines evenly sprinkle a generous layer of cheese atop the pizzas, calibrated to dispense the precise amount for uniform coverage and optimal flavor distribution. For storage or distribution, pizzas undergo freezing. Packaged pizzas are rapidly cooled to freezing temperatures in blast or tunnel freezers, extending shelf life and preserving quality during transportation and storage. While most frozen pizzas are not pre-cooked, exceptions exist where pizzas are cooked in large conveyor belt-style ovens. Frozen pizzas are conveyed to the packaging area via conveyor belts, where systems with sensors and controls ensure smooth movement. Wrapping machines automatically wrap each pizza in plastic film or shrink wrap using rollers, heat sealing mechanisms, and cutting devices. Plastic film is dispensed from rolls and securely sealed around the pizza to maintain freshness and protect it from contaminants. For pizzas in cardboard boxes, automated carton erecting machines assemble flat cardboard blanks into fully formed boxes with precision. Sealing machines securely close and seal the cartons using adhesive tape or hot melt glue, preventing tampering and protecting the pizzas during transportation and storage. If you're eager to explore more types of food made using innovative technology, get ready for the next video. It's sure to amaze you.